Hey there! Do you enjoy making quick cash? Do you enjoy earning money in the quickest and most convenient way possible? Today is your lucky day because you chose to view this video. Because in today's video, we'll be using a number of platforms and websites that you can use and enjoy. And by combining CPA marketing with all of these different websites, you'll be able to make money. It appears to be a simple task, which it is. And hey, what if you were just browsing YouTube for the right video to make money in the quickest and most efficient manner possible? If you chose to watch this video, you will not be disappointed because in this video, I'll be focusing on an approach that will not only bring you a lot of money, but will also be very easy to implement. You can earn up to $2,500 using this method simply by using effective CPA marketing and following my instructions. Everyone should be aware that this is also guaranteed to be entirely free. That is to say, you can begin immediately. To get paid around here, you don't even need any skills or knowledge. I'm still not finished. Everyone watching this video right now, no matter where they are in the world, has access to it and can use it. But it's critical that you watch the entire video because I'm convinced it will be quite helpful to you, but only if you do. As a result, all you have to do now is follow along. So now I understand you want to learn more about this fundamental technique. So, what are we waiting for? Let's learn more about this approach.
Before we continue, I would like to welcome everyone to Wealth Maker Girl. In this channel, I will show and teach you all the different ways to make a lot of money online in as simple and as fast as possible. And I make sure that every minute you spend on this channel will be worth your time and effort. So if you are looking for that type of content, then make sure to click the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And if you enjoyed what you are watching, then consider clicking the thumbs up button also. Now let's proceed to this video.
Good day there! Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Wealth Maker Girl. I'm overjoyed that you've chosen to watch this video. In today's video, we'll talk about how CPA marketing and the new website called CPAGRIP will be our key source of consistent income. Don't worry everyone, your hard-earned cash will be deducted from your personal PayPal account right away. And I promise, you like every second of it. So, let's get started with our first website in this video. As a result, in this video, I'll break down this new website and strategy into 4 distinct parts. I'll show you how to register an account on CPAGRIP in step 1, then in step 2, I'll assist you in finding some fantastic offers around here. In step 3, we'll develop a particular list. And finally, in step 4, we'll swap those offers for passive and easy money on a specific website. Isn't that simple? So just follow along. Now let me bring you to our first website. And with that, we've arrived at our first website, which as I mentioned, is called CPAGRIP and can be accessed at cpagrip.com. So, obviously, the next step is to become a member of this fantastic website. To do so, click on the link that reads "Register" right here, and you'll be sent to this page. Now, let me help you with the information you'll be putting up around here. Basically, it will require you to provide all of your essential personal information, such as your email address, name, and address, among other things. Then, where it says publication type, select website/and-sent by clicking on it. Then, in the section that asks for your own website, you can leave it blank if you don't have one. But if you do, you can add it here, along with a Facebook group or a TikTok account. Then, after you've completed all of the fields, simply check the box that says, "I have read and understand the terms of service," and click register now, and you're done. Now I'll show you my own dashboard so you can understand what I'm talking about. So this is what your dashboard will look like once you have created your own account, wherein you can see there is a lot of different information out here. But do not be overwhelmed as I will guide you. So now on the left side, you can see a lot of different options, like the referral program that they have, which I think you should check out. But for now, click on Offer Tools right here. Then on the drop-down menu, click on My Offers, and you will be brought to this page. So in this method, we will focus on the United States as our target country, as it will bring us the most money. Then right beside it, you can see the categories section, so you can choose whatever you prefer. But for this video, we will focus on all categories. What's pretty cool is that you can change this to either mobile or desktop category, which is usually around here. But I believe it's going to be better to work with a desktop. But for now, let us choose all categories and click on the desktop right here.
Love what you are watching? If you do, then smash the like button below to show your support for this channel. Also, down in the comments below, comment what type of device you are using, either on iOS or on Android, so I can make sure that all of the strategies I will share with you are available for whatever device you have. Now let's head straight back to the video.
And we're back! So, once you've completed all of that, you can see all of the offers they have for you down below, which you may choose to promote or take advantage of right away. You may also sort this from top to lowest by clicking on the arrow beside the payment column right here, which, as you can see, changes as I click on it. So there are different sums around here depending on the offer you accept. But let me show you what will happen. As soon as you click on one of these offers, such as this one, a pop-up window will emerge. You will now see an affiliate link, which will be our primary source of catch for this approach. So that's what we're hoping a lot of folks will do. I'll even show you a tip to help you out with this in this video. So the next step is to create a list of these links. You may use whatever program you like for this. But if you're on a desktop, you could use Google Docs or even a Word document. You can also keep track of it on a notepad or in your notes if you're on your phone. So you look through all of the current offers they have for you. Write down the headline and right next to it, the actual link for that specific offer, and make sure you have everything ready. After that, we'll use the list you just created to move on to our next website, which is critical to the method's success. So the second website we'll use is Fiverr, which can be found at fiverr.com. It's a really popular website that I'm sure you've heard of as well. So, the most important step in this procedure is to create a fresh new account and not use your personal account for this, as this is a very hidden trick that only a few people are aware of. So, for the purpose of this approach and video, simply establish a new account. So we'll use the search box over here to look for the phrase virtual assistant, and we'll be taken to this page. Now, as I indicated before, we should cater to folks from the United States. To do so, click on seller details right here, and then on the drop-down box, scroll down a little bit and select United States. Then, for budget, select $5 as the maximum amount from the drop-down option, and you'll be taken to this page. So, as you can see, we have a number of different people providing their services for as little as $5. So we'll pick someone to contact, and don't worry, I'll simply teach you what to say to them. So, once you've decided on someone, you'll be sent to their personal page, where you'll see a button that reads Contact Seller. Click on it, and a pop-up window will emerge. This is where you'll type in the following message. I only need you to complete 10 quick internet surveys for me. Please fill out on a desktop or computer. Simply fill out everything. That's it. And then click send, and that's all. All you have to do now is repeat this process for all of these people around here. And I would recommend that you pick out 10 people and just keep clicking and opening each window until you have 10 people who will eventually click on your link. And you can now earn easy, passive, and unlimited income. Nice!
And that concludes today's video. If you enjoyed and learned from this video, then consider smashing the like button down below and make sure to turn on the notification bell to be updated on all my future uploads. Just look out for my next strategy to make a lot of wealth with Wealth Maker Girl. That's it for me, guys. See you on the next one.